Hi guys, today I made Chuck E. Cheese, but as a home plus statue. I will show you. But I made copies of the world to explode in two different ways. But before that, I'm gonna copy it again and see what happens if I make it like the Zobra. There's a fuse right here, and then it will lead to the explosives, and then it will go up here, and then enter enter here, and then make his head or whole body to explode. We'll see. Why it's snowy? Is this a copy of the world? Yeah, no, it's not. It's not the copy. Oh no. Did I break him? Let me just break up the snow. Oh, that's what I broke. Oh shit. Let me sleep. I'm here now. I don't have any time for this. If my villagers get hit by zombies. Who opened that? Oh, it was just a pressure plate. He's like the real animatronic when it's broken. I like my villagers not knowing there's a staircase that brings you here, and it has two beds. Why Broski doesn't think it can make you leave? Oh shit. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Whoa, shit. Oh, an ender pearl. Woohoo, an ender pearl. Ender pearl. Yeek. Now I'm here. Oh. What is that purple thing? Oh wait, it was not. It has been snowing overnight probably. That's why it's snowy. While I was away, it was snowing, right? Was it? Was it snowing? Was it snowing or no? I don't know. Let me just get water cooking there. Let me just get white of the eyes and then this. Get out of my spot, fly! Oh no, it's breaking apart. It's broken Chuck E. Cheese. Now he's all fixed. Yeah, it's all fixed. But let me break the snow. Why don't they even notice this is not just a statue? It's also a freaking house. How they don't even notice it. Let me just break this. Here is the new result without snow. And here's a tour inside Chucky. You can't go in his chest or jeans, aka feet. You can't go in there. The only accessible part is only the head. I mean head. Head. Isn't it turning nighttime? Yeah, the sun is setting, but it's lowering, like the Philippines flag. Yeah, let me play this copy to explode it. There you go. It's completely night, but since there's snow, it's the perfect time because it's the copy of the world, and it has nothing to do with it, the real world, because I don't snap off snow. I mean, I don't take off snow on Chucky if I copy the world. Only on the stairs. See, I won't take it off because no, I'm gonna explode it. It's exploded. Flint and steel. Oh, it's not. It's not. To make the world even more crazier. Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna spawn a warden. No, oh, just kidding. I'm just gonna spawn a warden inside of here. And just for it to not escape, I'm just gonna put, make the door inaccessible only the top. Hmm. Hmm. There you go. There you go. There you go. I'm eating noodles too. Whoa. Wait. Birthday one, honey bun. Won't you be our birthday one? Please say yes, don't say no. Remember that sound? That I sometimes see when I type Chuck E. Cheese. Let me drop off the warden egg. Oh wait, no. Let's keep it. Don't slide away! Don't slide away! I'm just gonna keep you in here. I'm just gonna also fix you, Iron Golem. There. Just wait. I turned on always stay in this world because we don't even need to sleep in this world anymore because this thing is gonna die. Goodbye, Charles, aka Chuck E. Cheese. Let me go to the front. Oh shit! Oh! 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 Fuck it! Whoa! Shit! If I burn him, the warden. Let's not go. Ah! Huh? Whoa! Shit! Oh! That's the destroyed Charles, aka Chuck E. Cheese. Let me copy another one. There we go. We'll get a different igniter. Oh, still. Let me just fill him up with TNT. Look, this is the fuse, guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh no! Oh no! The shit! Oh, poor Chucky! Oh no! No!
Dito nga muna pala kang tangay.
And goodbye, guys. See you next time. I will try this again. Look at poor Chucky. His head is gone. And also, the farm is still in good condition. So they could still farm. And goodbye. Bloody squish. Wait, do last explosion before I leave. Boom, bang. Explode. Oh, why is it not damaged?